Hi, my name is Mrs. Lewis and I'm the visual art teacher here at VWHS High School. And today I'm going to be talking to you about Fundamentals of 2D. So Fundamentals of 2D is a new course this year, very similar to Fundamentals of Art, but is heavily focused on 2D itself. So we will be exploring mediums such as using graphite pencil, colored pencil, acrylic paint, printmaking, things of that nature. And students will have projects using those mediums, and they will also be completing rubrics to go with their projects to grade their work. They will be doing in-class critiques with their peers to get feedback on their work and analyze their work, and they will also be doing sketchbook assignments before the projects, and then they will be doing sketchbook assignment prompts throughout the semester, 3 due per 9 weeks, just exploring different ways of creating art. So whether that be practicing drawing landscapes, practicing drawing in perspective, that is what they will be exploring through their prompts. So the requirements for this course, there are none. This is kind of the starter course. So Fundamentals of 2D serves as a prerequisite for if you want to take Drawing and Painting 2 or Digital Art 2, or if you want to take any studio courses or any AP art in the future. So those are the requirements, and that is Fundamentals of 2D.